Welcome to another one of our Bluebeam Revu how-to tutorials, brought to you by Graphics Limited, where we show you how to maximize the potential of your investment in Bluebeam Revu. Graphics are the oldest established Bluebeam partner and your premium Bluebeam solutions provider. Let's get started. In this video, we are going to show you how to customize keyboard shortcuts in Bluebeam Revu. Keyboard shortcuts allow quick operation of Revu's key features. Revu comes with default keyboard shortcuts, but you can change them to better suit your needs. From the menu bar, click on Revu. Then click on Keyboard Shortcuts. Revu divides the shortcuts into Tools and Commands. You can see the assigned shortcut to the right of the function. The arrow tool has a shortcut of A assigned to it. To change this, make sure the tool is selected from the list, and click on the shortcut field below. Type in W. A warning will appear if the key is currently assigned. W is currently assigned to the typewriter tool. You can still override that tool shortcut by selecting Reassign, or try another keyboard shortcut. Type in Y. Revu gives no warning, which means that letter is available. Click Reassign and you will see the shortcut has changed in the list. You could restore defaults at any time by clicking Restore Defaults. Import a list of shortcuts by clicking Import and choosing an XML file. To export the current list, select Export. There are two options. Settings will export an XML and allow you to transfer shortcuts to other computers. Select List as .txt and it will export the list as a text document. Click OK to confirm your changes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found the video useful. You can visit our website, www.brightergraphics.com, for more videos in the how-to series and all things Bluebeam Revu. We at Brighter Graphics welcome your feedback to help us to improve.